Hi, I'm Dr. Lillard. We are here. We begin our chemistry class with thousands of words presented in the syllabus, information and instruction about what to do and how to succeed in this class, all before even a single word about chemistry is spoken. So where do you start as a student? The most important thing is to attend on a regular basis. Now, this seems simple enough, only we have to choose to attend. And because it's our choice, that tends to make it easier for us to ignore. So let's be aware of what this means to attend and try to stack the odds in our favor that we'll choose to take this important step. Attending means engaging with the materials and instruction and people in our class to give them attention. In a face-to-face setting, this is pretty clear. It means going to campus and entering the classroom or the lab. Online, this may mean joining a live Zoom, participating in discussion boards, viewing instructional videos, and reading written content. For both environments, online and face-to-face, this also includes sitting down to work on problems. Attend on a regular basis. On a regular basis is key and likely has a different look for different students because each situation is unique. Begin to sketch a plan now for how you are going to realistically allocate the 12 hours per week needed for this class. If your schedule is fixed, then you can probably pencil in the same days and times each week throughout the semester. If your schedule is variable, then you may need to set those times week by week. Whatever your calendar looks like, you will need to schedule those hours and make an effort to attend during those times. Attending also means dealing with the needs of your body and mind outside of your coursework. I find that I have to remind myself to eat, to stay hydrated, to exercise, and to rest. Try your best to give attention to those things that will help support your learning. Engage with the materials and instruction and people in your class, and take care of yourselves. I will see you next time.